In this continuation video, we will see problem number 4. Determine capital A and capital B means two matrices. That is the meaning. Determine capital A and capital B if 2A minus B plus this equal to 0 and A minus 2B is equal to this. Clearly, A and B are two matrices. We need to find that what are those two matrices. And the conditions given are these two. So I've taken the first condition here, 2A minus B equal to, listen carefully, and just taking this term to other side in the first step itself. I have not written the question once. From the question itself, directly I am taking this term to other side. So what happens? It changes, in plus will become minus. So every term will change its sign. Try to understand what I am telling. Determine capital A and capital B. Capital A and capital B are nothing but two matrices. If this is the first condition and this is the second condition. So the first condition is written here, 2A minus B. At the same time, taking this matrix to other side. So each and every element will change its symbol. That is what I have written like this, changing the symbol and writing because it goes to other side. And if you see this, I am multiplying this entire equation by 2. So that is what A becomes 2A, 2B becomes 4B, multiplying by 2. And also all the terms are multiplied by 2. 3 is written as 6, 2 is written as 4, 8 is written as 16, like that. Each and every terms are multiplied by 2. Hope you will understand. Again I will repeat. The first equation I have written as it is, but taking this matrix to other side, so changing the symbol of every number and writing like this. Here I am not writing directly, just multiplying all the terms by 2. I have written this. So 6, 4, 16, minus 4, 2, minus 14. That is how we have written. Left side 2A minus 4B. So entirely all the terms are multiplied by 2 here. Why? Because to cancel 2A. So minus, changing the symbol, minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So 2A gets cancelled. Minus B plus 4B. This is the symbol now. 4B minus B, 3B. If you see corresponding elements, now see minus 6, minus 6. Again I will repeat, minus 6, minus 6. This minus 6. So minus 12. 6 minus 4, 2. 0 minus 16, minus 16. Like that we have to do. 4 minus of minus plus. So 4, these two minus will become plus. 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1 plus 14, 13. Hope you will understand what I am trying to say. So we get what? 3B is equal to this matrix. So easily we can find the matrix B by taking the number to other side. 1 by 3 of this is the answer for matrix B. Still we need to find what? Matrix A. So once again I am going to start with the question. Try to understand what I am telling. Now I have cancelled A and found out B. Now I want A. So I need to cancel B now. In these two, now I want to cancel B term. So what I have to do? Here 2B is present, here only B is present. So this equation should be multiplied by 2 now. This equation should be multiplied by 2. That is why I am writing, instead of writing 2A, I am writing 4A. Writing minus B, I will be writing minus 2B. And when this goes to other side, every term will change its symbol. At the same time, every term gets multiplied by 2. So actually this is 12. Going to other side becomes minus 12. This is minus 12, other side 12. 0 will remain as 0. This is minus 8 because I am multiplying by 2. Going to other side plus 8. 4 other side minus 4. 2 other side minus 2. Now I will write this equation as it is. This equation is written just as how it looks. Take the same thing and write here. Now change the symbol. B term will get cancelled. 4A minus A, 3A. Same way you just take corresponding terms. Minus 12, minus 3, minus 15. Same way just simplify and write this matrix. Again 3 is taken to other side. So A is equal to 1 by 3 and this matrix is written as it is. So So this is matrix A and this is matrix B. Hope you will understand. Almost like same thing that we will do in a algebra to solve two equations. These are nothing but matrix equations. In the same fashion we are solving it, right? Going to the next sum. Problem number 5. If A is equal to one matrix is given 1 A 0 1, compute A power 4. So A power 4 means don't simply multiply 4 times 1 into 1 into 1 A into we should not do like that. A power 4 means A into A into A into A, 4 times matrix multiplication. What is the meaning of A power 4? 4 times matrix multiplication of A. So this is the given question actually. A square first, before going to A power 4, first we will find out A square. A square means what? A into A. So this is A, this is again A into A. In 10th standard, how we will multiply two matrix? Row by column, yes or no? First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1. A into 0, 0. So since both are plus, I am putting plus. So first row, first column. Children, this is A. This is not 0, this is A. Again I repeat. Again I'll repeat. First row, first column. First row, first column. 1 into 1 plus A into 0. So 1 plus 0. Similarly, first row, second column. 1 into A plus A into 1. 1 into A plus A into 1. So A plus A. Second row, first column. 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Both are 0. So 0 plus 0. Second row, second column. 0 into A plus 1 into 1. So 0 plus 1. So this is nothing but matrix multiplication. Those who have not come across matrix multiplication in 10th standard, you just see this what I am just explained carefully. With the help of this only we are going to multiply all the matrix. Again I repeat, first row, first column, then first row, second column. Afterwards, second row, first column, second row, second column. When I take first row, first column, how should we do? This element to this, this to this. That is what is written as the first element here. First row, second column, this to that, and this to this. That is what is written as second element. So this is third element. It comes like second row, first column. Fourth element, second row, second column. Like that we have to multiply. So simplifying this, 1 plus 0, 1, A plus A, 2A, 0 plus 0, 0, again 1. So this is nothing but A square. Now I am going to calculate A power 4. A power 4 can be written as A square into A square, right or not? So this is A square, another A square. Same way, first row, first column. Now you yourself try to tell the answer. First row, first column. 1 into 1. 2A into 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. Directly I am writing. First row, second column. 1 into 2A, 2A plus 2A into 1, 2A. Both are 2A means 4A. If you are getting confused, I will be writing this in the rough column. First row, first column, what will come? 1 plus 0. 1 into 1, 2A into 0. Then first row, second column, it will come like 2A plus 2A. Why? Because this 1 will multiply with this 2A, becomes 2A, and 2A into 1 is plus 2A. Second row, first column, 0 into 1, 0. 1 into 0, that is also 0. So 0 plus 0. Second row, second column, 0 into 2A, 0. 1 into 1 plus 1. So this is how we will multiply two matrix. 1, 2A plus 2A is 4A, 0 plus 0. This is 1. So this is the answer for what? A power 4. Compute A power 4. The answer for A power 4 is this. So I am not going to explain anymore the matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication means row by column method. First row should be taken to all the columns. After that gets over, take second row to all the columns. That if that gets over, and if you having third row, take the third row to all the columns. This is the procedure of multiplying two matrices. Problem number 6. If capital A is equal to this, it is a matrix of order 3 cross 3 because 3 rows, 3 columns. And they have given one condition also, a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus ki equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied by this matrix, find k. We need to find what is k value, that's all. A matrix is given, and with that matrix one condition was given, a cube minus 6a square plus 7a plus k. If we add all these things, the answer is 0. Then what is this k? That is the question. So what I am trying to do is I will try to find out what is a cube and what is a square using this. So first I am finding out a square. A square means a into a. This is written 2 times, a into a. As I said, I am not going to explain anymore how to multiply matrix. Just tell how to multiply these two. Just only one term I will be showing you. This is first row should be taken to first column first, right? So 1 will combine with 1, 0 with 0, 2 with 2. That is how we will combine first row, first column, first element to first element, second to second, third to third. And 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 0 plus 0, 2 into 2 plus 4. So this is the first element. How to calculate second element? First row, second column. So 1 with 0, 0 with 2, 2 with 0. So you will be getting this. First row, third column. 1 with 2, 0 with 1, 2 with 3. So you will get this. In the same way, second row, first column, this one. Second row, second column, this one. Second row, third column is this. Third row, first column, these 3 numbers. Third row, second column, these 3 numbers. Third row, third column, these 3 numbers. So by simplifying all these things, we are going to get one answer that I will be showing you in the next line. So simplifying that, this is the answer for a square. Then I will try to find out what is a cube. How to write a cube? How will you write a cube? Now we know a square value, right? I will be writing like this. A cube can be written as what? A square into a. Yes or no? So this is what a cube can be written as. So a cube is a square. The value we found out here, I have substituted in place of a square. A means the given question. So again, once again, I have to matrix multiply. First row, first column, this one. First row, second column. First row, third column. So like that you will have 9 elements. Simplify and get one answer. This is called a power 3. So we found out a square as well as a power 3. Now we will write the given condition. The given condition is this. What is a cube answer we found out? This is the a cube answer. So substitute in place of that this answer. Put this minus symbol. We know a square, right? This is a square. It should be multiplied with what? 6. So 6 5s are 30. 0 will remain as it is. 8 6 are 48. 2 6 are 12. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. Like that this comes. Plus this plus is written. 7a. Actually this is a. When it is multiplied with 7, 7 0 14 first row. 0 14 7 second row. 14 0 21 third row. Plus ki. Here I means, I will write here, I means unit matrix. What is unit matrix? We have seen in the definition. So I means unit matrix. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Ki means multiply everything with k. So k 0 0 0 k 0 0 0 k is nothing but ki. So now I have written all the 4. 1 2 3 4. The answer is 0. It is given. What is our aim? Our aim is to find k value. So how I am going to do this? Only take the first element of all the things to simplify. See, first element is 21. First element is 30 with minus symbol. So 21 minus 30. First element 7 plus 7. First element is k plus k. The answer is 0. So equal to 0. Even I can take second elements and all, but I cannot get k values anywhere. Even I can take this. So if I take all these numbers, 8 minus 24 plus 14 plus k, that also I can do. But here first element itself will be easy for us. First element, first element, first element, first element. Take all the first elements, and since the answer is 0, the first element answer should be equal to 0. Right. Now just simplify this. 21 plus 7, 28 minus 30 minus 2 plus k. So from this, k value is 2. Hope you will understand. As I said, I'll shortly will be giving you the revision problems. Complete your classworks properly first. Then go through all the problems which was given to you as a revision sums. Learn the revision problems thoroughly, and then write all those revision problems in a separate notebook, which will be helpful for you if you are going to write the examinations. Thank you, children.